Hi friends, it's Katie and welcome to your beauty tip of the day. This tip is all about how to build confidence in wearing a bright and bold lipstick. Now, you probably noticed I need colour on my lips. I have very pale lips, so lipstick for me really kind of lifts my whole face. But I want to share with you a technique that you can try at home with lipsticks that you already own to just step out of your comfort zone. Now, I'm going to talk about wearing a bold lipstick. In particular, I've chosen this beautiful red colour. If you have a red lipstick at home, or if you have a bright pink lipstick, I want you to grab those out of the back of your beauty cabinets and apply them, because I'm going to share one more tip with you that's going to make that colour really wearable in such a way that will just increase your confidence so you can gradually get into wearing bold lipsticks if that's something that you've always wanted to try. Because I'll say for myself, some years ago when I didn't wear bold lipsticks, I would put a bold lipstick on, leave the house and feel really self-conscious, a bit like my lips were walking in front of my body. But actually my friends said that they liked the bold lipstick on me, and over time I got so used to the look that it almost became pretty normal, and it built up my confidence. The more you do something, the more confident you get, because confidence doesn't just arrive, you have to do stuff for that confidence to come. So I'll also give you another tip. If you feel like wearing a bold lipstick might look too try hard, or like you're sort of thinking, oh well, I'm not really going anywhere special, I think the trick to making bold lipstick look really cool is to wear it when you're just wearing a casual t-shirt and jeans. The kind of juxtaposition between the bold lip and the casual look that you have really works well. Okay, so I'm going to apply this red lipstick first of all, and then stay tuned because I'm going to show you a technique that you can do at home to make your bold lipstick really, really wearable, and also a way to increase your confidence in wearing it. So I'm going to apply my red lipstick. Now, top tips: when you apply your bold lipstick, use your pinky finger to steady your hand. This acts as a little stabilizer, and apply the lipstick to your bottom lip first of all, just concentrating kind of in the middle of the lip. And then we're going to smudge our lips together to distribute it to the top, and then we can go back and neaten up. Let me show you. And then I go back in and fill in any gaps. When you're applying your bold lipstick, make sure you kind of get into the juicy part of your lip here, and doing that actually helps your lips look a little bit fuller because it really emphasizes the whole kind of volume of your lip. And just be careful like me, don't get any in your teeth. So once you've applied your bold colour, it doesn't have to be red, it could be a bright pink, it could be a really dark plum, anything bold. The next thing I want you to do is dig out a lipstick that is a more muted and lighter tone. Or what's better, perhaps you have your favourite kind of nude lipstick that you love to wear. Grab that colour, and then we're going to dab that over the top. So I'm using this colour here, because what this is going to do is going to mute down the brightness or the depth of the colour and make your bold lipstick much more wearable, to hopefully give you the confidence that you can kind of apply less of the nudie colour over the top over time as your confidence grows. Let me show you how it works. So to keep your nudie colour lipstick in its best condition, take your ring finger, make sure it's clean, and dab it into the lipstick bullet. What this is going to do is it's going to prevent your bold colour going and transferring into your other lipstick. Okay, so I've got a little bit on my ring finger. Then I'm I'm going to pat it over the top of my bold lipstick, but starting from the middle. And what this does is it ever so slightly just mutes down the boldness of the colour. But what's more, if you have a favourite shade at home that you typically always like to wear, apply this over the top of your bold lipstick, and what you'll find is that you will start to like the bold lipstick more because it will have more of the kind of tones of your favourite lipstick colour in it. And it's a great way of introducing a new colour into your lipstick collection that perhaps you haven't thought of wearing before. So it's a lovely way to just step out your comfort zone. So I've now completed the look, and I hope you can see on screen that this is ever so slightly muted down that bold red colour, which I also really loved. But this is just a great way for you to experiment with different lipsticks that you own. And if you're not someone that feels super confident in wearing your bold lipsticks, this is a really great way to step outside your comfort zone gradually. I also love how different lipstick textures can add things over the top of other lipsticks. So for example, this lipstick's got kind of a shimmery sheen to it, and when I apply it over the top of that bold colour, it adds a slightly more kind of iridescent-y kind of look and finish. So play around with your lipsticks, get confident in wearing different colours. If you feel stuck in a rut, it's the perfect time to update your look. Don't forget, wear it with a t-shirt. You don't have to look too glam. And have fun, it's what it's all about. You can't go wrong, and I'll see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching, it really means a lot. Bye.